Hello guys, how are you doing? In today's new video, I'm gonna show you something I've been investigating, mixing my search terms from my ads account, also my sales report using merge flow. If you wanna know how to export your sales report in merge flow, please watch my previous video that I made before this. I will leave a link here up right. If you click it, you can find it. Okay, so that I don't have to explain it again. Okay, and with those two CSV with info, I will go to Claude and ask him to make an analysis on those two reports and suggest me 15 new niches based on my information that are working on my account that I can target. Okay, well, we analyze my search terms from my Amazon ads and we look the best performing search terms and also my best performing designs from my sales report. Okay, so using all my data available, I will get new information to target new niches. Okay, hope it doesn't sound confusing. It's easier than it sounds. Okay, for this I'm gonna go first for my Amazon Ads console. Here on the right in this menu, I will go to sponsor ads reports. Okay, here I'm gonna create a report, and here I'm gonna select sponsor products, report type search term, because I'm looking for my search terms. Only for the United States. I don't work on the other countries yet. Here I'm gonna put summary, report period, last 30 days. Okay. And the name sponsor product search terms. Here I'm gonna add my email, request time now. Then I'm gonna hit here run before, and here I'm gonna keep again run before. When this is ready, report processing. Okay, when this is ready, I'm gonna get an email, or here in the screen I'm gonna see the report ready. Okay, but if you don't find it here, you can go to your email and then you will find it there. Okay, in the same time I'm gonna go here at merge flow, but then I'm gonna go to products. This is the section where all my products are. Okay, and I'm gonna go here status. I'm gonna go in light, search all my light products. Then I'm gonna go to market, just the US market, where I have most of my sales and products. Then I'm gonna select standard t-shirt. That is my best-selling product, of course. And then I'm gonna go here on pages. I wanted to show you 10,000 results. I'm up here for 1,000, so that's enough. And then I'm gonna select here, select all the designs related to my tier 4,000 account. And then I'm gonna go to more tools, export, curate page. No, export all products .csv. Okay, I will show you why. I'm gonna go to Claude. Here. I'm gonna go to a project, but you can make it on a chat also. You don't have to have a project, but I'm gonna use my personalized project that says Merchant Demand Optimizer. And here I'm gonna paste this prompt that are the orders for Claude to work on my two files. This prompt, I will leave it in a link in the comments. You can use it if you want. I'm gonna copy and go to Claude, paste it, and I'm gonna get here. I'm gonna use Sonnet. Okay, that is expedition corrupt for task. Okay, IQ is kind of fastest and less strong, and Opus I think is too strong for this. Okay, it consumes a lot of tokens. Okay, then I'm gonna go here. I will see for the results. Okay, here are the results. I'm gonna show you something first. Here are this is the two files that I use. the search terms that I created with my ads account, and my export products. Okay, and I'm not gonna show it to you, but these two bytes. Okay, now this is the analysis that Claude made and the report. Here I will not show you the result because there are my niches, but based on my niches, like successful keywords, made a deep analysis, and after all that, it's suggesting me, because it's on the front of the orders, 15 niches for immediate design creations that are related to my winners but are not the same. Okay, at the same time, it's gonna also suggest not to create things that I've already created and designed for that don't have a good performance. Okay, so with this method, I like this very much. You are gonna using your real information from your ads account. The more ads you have, the more keywords you have, and also your sales report. Okay, the more sales, of course, the more a winner keyword you're finding. Okay, and Claude with that info is gonna make me a winner list so that I can use wisely my slots and not upload anything that I think is gonna sell because of magic or because somebody told me. Okay, this is real data for real results. Hope you liked this new video. Please leave your comments below, and see you in the next one. Bye.